So if anyone has any questions or needs help, please let me know, and I will also be creating my own spaghetti and meatball craft as well with all of you. Okay, everyone, now that we've shared our crafts with each other, we will move on to the final activity, which will be the exit slip. So let me put aside my craft. So everyone on their desk has a copy of the exit slip, and I will just quickly go over what the directions are for the exit slip. So you're going to put your name at the top, and you can go ahead and do that right now. Okay, give me a thumbs up when you're ready to move on. Great. Okay, so number 1 has the text of the dog with a line which shows a blank, meaning that you're going to put a word from the word bank in this blank that best suits the sentence. So you're going to basically complete the sentence, and that's what this exit slip will be. The dog blank the boy from the stranger. Number 2 says, the girl's dessert was so blank. Number 3 says, the cat was so blank since it was given many treats and toys. Number 4 says, the boy stole a candy bar from the shelf and had a blank look on his face. And the word bank has 4 different words. So it doesn't have all 7, it just has 4 because I wanted to see how you would do just on these 4 words for now. But we'll discuss the other words throughout the week. So the words are protected, mischievous, pampered, and delicious. So I'm going to give you around 5 minutes to complete this, and please raise your hand if you have any questions when completing this exit ticket. Hello everyone, it is now the next day, and I wanted to review the exit ticket that we completed yesterday after reading time and after our arts and craft activity. So, number 1 again said, the dog blanked the boy from the stranger. So, Sophia, can you tell me what you put for number 1? I put the dog mischievous the boy from the stranger. Okay, Sophia. Well, let's read that again, because do you think that sounds like the best option? So, if we said the dog mischievous the boy from the stranger, what do you think the dog was doing? Okay, so we'll try that again, because that one doesn't make as much sense as the other ones could. So let's try the first word in that sentence. The dog, go ahead, Sophia. The dog protected the boy from the stranger. Good, because protecting means to keep from being harmed, correct? Very good, Sophia. Let's do number 2. The girl's dessert was so blank. Joe, can you do that one for me? The girl's dessert was so blank. So you put the word pampered. The girl's dessert was so pampered. Well, does that make sense? Because remember, pampered means to care extremely for something, to show that you care extremely for something. So remember, my example yesterday was I gave my cat many treats and toys to show that I care for it and to pamper it. So let's try that one more time. The girl's dessert was so, yes, Jill, delicious. Good. The girl's dessert was so delicious. Very good. Does that make sense, Joe? That the girl's dessert was so delicious instead of pampered? Okay, great. Let's do number 3. The cat was so blank since it was given many treats and toys. So, Joe, do you think you know that one? Very good, Joe. Pampered. The cat was so pampered since it was given many treats and toys. All right, there's one more left. The boy stole a candy bar from the shelf and had a blank look on his face. So, what one is that? Very good, class. It's mischievous. So, the boy did something wrong. He stole a candy bar from the shelf. And after he stole that candy bar, he had a mischievous look on his face. So, he looked mischievous. Very good. Okay, that concludes our lesson on Lady and the Tramp, and we'll move on to math now. Good job, everyone.